Are you not able to recall the answers which you have learned at home but not able to write in the examination? I do not know about you, but I have gone through this phase many times. So today I am going to share my experiences with you, how I used to learn and how I used to concentrate more on studies. Hello everyone, this is Ratika. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Study Together with Ratika. On this channel, we discuss normally science content from 7th to 10th in English, but now onwards we will also be sharing tips and tricks videos with you all. So today we are going to discuss how we can learn smartly and how we can concentrate more on studies. The first point is read once before the bed. See, the concepts are for understanding and the facts are for learning, right? I am not promoting the ratification process, but sometimes you have to learn some of the terms. And if you talk about biology, you definitely have to learn the terms, how you can remember them. Those students who want to learn in the morning, they should learn in the morning, and those who are wanting to learn in the evening or at night, that is okay. You learn throughout the day, but just before going to bed, just revise the things which you have learned, okay? This will help you in registering whatever you have learned in your mind. And this will definitely help you if you keep doing this, keep practicing this for long run. Then the next point is make mnemonics. Mnemonics are the Mangadan Kahani that you normally make, right? For example, in class 9, you must have learned about the classification of living organisms, in which we have to learn 2 or 3 tables in a proper sequence, okay? Let's talk about one. Plant kingdom includes some divisions. Now, how can you remember those divisions in a proper sequence? TBPGA, तब बोलेंगे पापा घूम आओ, and you know very well पापा नहीं बोलने वाले हैं कि घूम आओ, right? So this becomes a creative mnemonic along with some fun. You always remember funny things more than the serious ones, right? So this will be representing all the divisions which are there in plant kingdom, like Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperms and Angiosperms. You will also be able to learn the series, right? So make mnemonics in a creative manner and in a funny way, okay? Then the next is keep distractions away from you. You know the major distraction nowadays is mobile phone or laptop, Facebook, Instagram or YouTube. So whenever you are learning something or you are studying, keep your mobile phone at bay or switch off the internet so that there is no beep beep sound of notifications which will distract your mind, right? Now the next one is take short breaks. Now these breaks should really be short. If you are studying for half an hour, just 5 minutes will be okay. If you are studying for 1 hour, then 10 or 15 minutes will be okay. So it totally depends on you how much break you should take, and this depends on how much you are studying. For example, there might be some students who will be studying for half an hour and will be taking break of 15 or 20 minutes. So that is not going to help you, right? So in this way, after taking a break, you will be feeling refreshed and you will be feeling more concentrated when you study after taking a break. So this was all about the tips and tricks that I used to follow. In our next tips and tricks video, we will be discussing about how we can make short notes while studying only. So till then, bye bye, take care and thanks for watching. Do write down in the comment section in case you want to give more suggestions to me on which I should make some videos. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.